Did you pay for an Upwork project that didn't quite deliver? Don't worry, you're not completely stuck. Here's how to potentially get a refund through Upwork's dispute process. First, head to your Upwork account and navigate to the specific contract you're having issues with. You can find this in your My Jobs section. Scroll down the contract page until you see an option like Get Support or Need Help. Click on this to access Upwork's help resources. Look for options related to disputes or request mediation. You'll usually find this link in the help articles or contact options provided. Understand that you must initiate this process within a certain time frame after the contract's completion or payment. You will then be prompted to explain why you are disputing the payment. Be clear, concise, and professional. State specifically what deliverables were not met and how they deviated from the original contract agreement. Provide evidence like screenshots or relevant communications to support your claim. Remember to communicate professionally and respectfully with the freelancer throughout this process. Upwork encourages open communication to try and resolve issues directly. Clearly state your desired resolution. If direct communication doesn't lead to a resolution, Upwork offers mediation services. A mediator will review the case and help both parties reach a fair agreement. Be prepared to present your case clearly to the mediator. The outcome of the dispute can vary. You might receive a full refund, a partial refund, or unfortunately, no refund at all, depending on the circumstances and the evidence provided. By following these steps and maintaining clear communication, you can navigate the Upwork dispute process effectively. Good luck!